Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log in to your Rocket Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Rocket Mortgage. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as rocketmortgage.com. In my case, it's the first one. And now we are in the official website of Rocket Mortgage. Now to log into Rocket Mortgage, tap on the sign in button. Now we need to provide our login credentials to log into Rocket Mortgage. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. If you don't remember your username, tap on this text that says forgot username. Then provide your email address with which you have created your Rocket Mortgage account. Then tap on send my username. Then it will send your username in your email address. And now provide your password in the text field given for password. You can check this box that says show password to see and verify whether you have typed in your password correct or not. If you no longer remember your password, tap on this text that says forgot password. Then type a username in the text field given, then hit the submit button, and you will be able to reset your password. And guys, we are almost there. To log into Rocket Mortgage, all you gotta do is tap on this button that says sign in, and you will be able to log into Rocket Mortgage successfully if your credentials are correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.